OSHA always says train your employees. So one of the first things you'll see in any OSHA standard, have you done any training? Have you sat down with your people, looked at what's going on in the work site, and make sure they understand and how to protect themselves from the hazard? A lot of OSHA standards have that training mechanism in there, and you should at least have pre-job meetings. So you can say, these are what we're going to be doing, and this is how we're going to take care of those hazards in the workplace. One of the things I saw in the landscaping handbook was they were talking about identify any poisonous plants in the work area and eliminate that so you won't have any people exposed to those. Insects. You're going to be working outside a lot. Do you have insect repellents or spiders in your work area that you need to take care of? Maybe doing your work process and your walkthrough, you'll go through and try to eliminate those hazards. Put tools safely away. I tell everybody, when I walk through your work area, if you can't keep it clean, you're probably not keeping it safe. Housekeeping is a big thing with me. If you can't keep it clean, you're probably not keeping it safe. What does a messy work area tell a safety inspector? They put productivity ahead of safety. You have trip hazards in your work area, and you may not have enough people out there. If you can't keep it clean, you're probably not keeping it safe.